Our Earth is a marvel, a vibrant sphere teeming with life. From the lush rainforest to the icy polar regions, it's a symphony of ecosystems, each playing a critical role. Yet beneath this beauty lies an unseen threat, slowly but steadily disrupting the delicate balance that sustains us greenhouse gases. These invisible gases, though naturally present, have been accumulating in our atmosphere at an alarming rate due to human activities. Their impact? A gradual warming of our planet, leading to a cascade of consequences that threaten the very future we depend upon. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of climate change. It's the melting glaciers, the rising sea levels, the more frequent and intense heat waves, and the disrupted ecosystems. It's a crisis that demands our attention, our understanding, and most importantly, our action. So what exactly are these greenhouse gases? Imagine our atmosphere as a giant greenhouse trapping heat from the sun to keep our planet warm enough to support life. This natural process is essential for our survival. Greenhouse gases act like the glass panes of this greenhouse, allowing sunlight to enter but trapping some of the heat, preventing it from escaping back into space. This natural greenhouse effect is what keeps Earth habitable. However, human activities have amplified this effect, leading to what we call the enhanced greenhouse effect. This, in turn, causes the planet to warm at an unnatural and dangerous rate, disrupting the delicate climate balance that has sustained life for millennia. The main culprits in this atmospheric drama are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases, though present naturally, have seen their concentrations significantly increase due to human activities, tipping the balance and driving global warming. Let's meet the main characters in this unfolding crisis. Carbon dioxide, the most well-known greenhouse gas, is released primarily through the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels, once our primary sources of energy, are now the main drivers of climate change. Methane, though less abundant than carbon dioxide, is a far more potent heat-trapping gas. It originates from various sources, including livestock farming, natural gas leaks, and the decomposition of organic matter in landfills. Limiting methane emissions is crucial in our fight against climate change. Finally, we have nitrous oxide, a powerful greenhouse gas released mainly from agricultural activities, particularly the use of nitrogen-based fertilizers. While essential for food production, these fertilizers contribute significantly to global warming. Understanding the sources and potency of these gases is crucial to developing effective strategies to reduce their emissions and mitigate their impact on our climate. Imagine a car parked under the scorching summer sun with its windows rolled up. The sunlight enters through the glass, but the heat gets trapped inside, causing the car's interior to warm up rapidly. This is a simple analogy to understand the enhanced greenhouse effect. As we release more and more greenhouse gases, they accumulate in the atmosphere, thickening the metaphorical glass of our planet's greenhouse. This intensified trapping of heat leads to a gradual but relentless increase in Earth's average temperature, a phenomenon we call global warming. This seemingly small change in temperature has far-reaching consequences. It's like throwing a stone into a pond. The ripples spread, impacting every aspect of our planet's delicate systems. Section 5. A world in flux: consequences of a warming planet. The consequences of this enhanced greenhouse effect are already being felt across the globe. Global temperatures are rising at an unprecedented rate, with the last decade being the warmest on record. This warming trend is disrupting weather patterns, leading to more frequent and extreme weather events like heat waves, droughts, hurricanes, and floods. The impacts are particularly evident in our polar regions. The Arctic, for instance, is warming twice as fast as the rest of the planet, causing glaciers and ice sheets to melt at an alarming rate. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities and low-lying areas worldwide. Section 6. Nature's distress call: impacts on wildlife. The impact of climate change extends far beyond human societies. It's disrupting ecosystems and threatening biodiversity on a global scale. Rising temperatures and ocean acidification, a direct result of increased carbon dioxide absorption by seawater, are devastating coral reefs, the vibrant underwater cities that support a quarter of all marine life. Land-based species are also feeling the heat. Many animals are being forced to migrate to cooler regions as their habitats become too hot and dry. This mass migration is disrupting food chains and increasing competition for resources, pushing some species towards the brink of extinction. Section 7: Humanity at Risk, Health and Agricultural Challenges. The impacts of climate change are not limited to the natural world. They pose significant risks to human health and well-being as well. Extreme heat events are becoming more frequent and intense, leading to heat stroke, respiratory problems, and cardiovascular diseases, particularly in vulnerable populations. Agriculture, the backbone of our food system, is also facing challenges. Changing rainfall patterns, increased droughts, and extreme weather events are disrupting crop yields, threatening food security and livelihoods, especially in developing countries. Section 8: A Call to Action, Securing Our Future. The situation may seem dire, but it's not hopeless. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the resources to mitigate climate change and secure a sustainable future for generations to come. The key lies in collective action, global cooperation, and individual responsibility. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower is paramount. These clean energy technologies offer a viable alternative to fossil fuels, reducing our carbon footprint and paving the way for a sustainable energy future. Investing in carbon capture and storage technologies is also crucial. These technologies trap carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and industrial processes, preventing them from entering the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. Reforestation, the process of planting trees on a massive scale, offers a natural solution to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and storing it in their wood, leaves, and roots. The challenge before us is immense, but so is our capacity for innovation and collective action. The future of our planet rests on our choices today. Let us choose wisely, act decisively, and work together to protect this beautiful, fragile planet we call home.